Right, this is the 8th generation Honda Accord from 2008 to 2012. All right, but this is a 2011 though. So let's do this. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change. All right, so stay tuned. You know how to support the channel. Smash the super thanks button. Okay, do that. Click on it, go through it. You see what's up. Do your thing. Show your love. All right. That's a return of kindness. You know what I'm saying? And you want me to reach more people? Click on the share button. Anything you want to say about this baby, this car, put in the comment box. I want to know how you feel about this car. You know what I'm saying anything. Is it reliable? Is it good? Put in the comment box. Okay. All right. Let's do this real quick. Here's the latch, by the way. This is a 2011 ride with 90,000 miles. This is how you open the hood. Just pull the lever, just like that, once. I say once because in other cars, well, nowadays cars, you pull the lever twice. Now you're gonna come here. Here's your latch. Push it that way. Now you're gonna hold it. Okay. The kickstand is gonna be right here. All right. That's how you hold the hood. Now pow in your face. Oil, engine oil cap. It tells you what type of oil. 0W20. That's full synthetic. Giddy. Put this thing over here. Oil dipstick. Alternator. Coolant reservoir. Windshield fluid reservoir. Steering reservoir. Steering fluid reservoir. ABS. These are the ports for the AC. If you wanna refill the AC. Sensor. Yeah, pretty much. Battery, engine filter, fuse box, brake fluid reservoir. And then come down here where everything is beautiful. Here's the oil filter, oil drain plug. 17 millimeter wrench for this oil drain plug, just like that. Watch how you do this because you don't want to get splashy. Hey, pretty much. Let me know what you think about that oil. Can I do another 3,000 miles, 5,000 miles? It's up to you. All right, I wouldn't go that much though. Maybe, see, put in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about going extra 1,000 miles or any amount of miles. Okay, this one. Yeah, this oil filter right here. You can get this. I'm gonna put a list of tools that I'm using for this project. Okay, I'm gonna put it right below, and there's up to 30 items. Okay, 30 tools. You know, brake cleaner, rag, eye protection like glasses, a flashlight, a jacket stands. These type of tools, ratchet, wrench, all of that. Let me remove this oil filter. Just be careful, okay? If the engine is hot, you've been running with the car for a minute. If you're doing the job, you know the oil is going to be hot. It's better if you do it after you been driving around. Not even though. Let the car idle for a few minutes. The engine is going to heat up. Oil is going to be warm or hot. Then it's better to do the oil change like that because you get most of the oil out. Now I'm gonna wipe this where the oil filter sits. Okay, I'm gonna grab this. You see the gasket, oil ring. Here, it's dry. I'm gonna get it with some oil, like that. Put it there. Clockwise to remove it. I mean to install it. Counterclockwise to remove it. Okay. I'm gonna put the oil drain plug back. Get ready your 17mm wrench, ratchet, socket. Alright. Coming through here. Tight it, snag it. You don't have to go crazy with that. Make sure everything's Gucci, tight. Right here, put the funnel. We're gonna get the ResaleValue 20. Okay, that's full synthetic oil, all right? I'm gonna pour 4 quarts. Okay. I got 5 here, but I'm just gonna pour 4 quarts first. That should be it. On the funnel. Put the engine oil cap back. I'm gonna start the car. Okay. Let me start the car right now. So the oil go through the filter and all that, I'm saying. I'm gonna leave it running for a minute. It should be good enough. I'm gonna shut it down right now. Car is not running right now. I'm gonna check remove the oil dipstick. Wipe it. Okay. Let the oil drop in the oil pan. Give it a few seconds. I want to check it out. Oil dipstick going in. This is what we got so far. Okay. It's right here. You see it, right? So it's supposed to be right here by the hole. So that means we need half a quart. All right. But I'm not gonna pour half a quart. I'm gonna do half of that. Right? That should do it. So in other words, would be like 4.2, 4.3. Okay. All right, it's going in. Yeah. There you go, Gucci. 4.2 quarts. You see it. You see what's big. All right. 4.2 quarts. Put the engine oil cap back. You know, clean after yourself. And everything is Gucci. All right. Right, time to reset this baby. I'm gonna start the car, okay? Car is running right now. Now here, you see this guy right here? We're gonna use it. Okay, if you don't see the oil life, press this until you see it. You see it, right? Okay, so we're gonna press it until we see the oil life. Now we're gonna press it and hold it. Talk about this pin. Press and hold it. gonna take a minute. Okay, there you go. Now let it go. Press it again. Press it and hold it. There you go. Oil life, 100%. That's how you reset the oil life and do the oil change in this 2011 Honda Accord. But if you have a Honda Accord between 2008 and 2012, this video is for you. I'm gonna leave it right here. You know where to find me. It's Axtuo. Clicking now. Highlight your boy Axtuo.